Alright, so listen, I'm prepping some beef short ribs. Get ready to smoke them. But I want you to see, these are Wagyu, but I want you to see meat, man. I want you to look at that. I want you to look at that marbling, man. In that. You see that, man? Look at that. That's gonna taste like butter, I promise you. Alright, so now we got them beef short ribs, them Wagyu beef short ribs. About to go to bed. All night, we're going low and slow. We'll come back in about 12 hours. They're gonna be nice and tender. Ooh, let's see what them smoked short ribs looking like. Ooh, wee. Look at that right there. That's gonna be good eating.